Let's explain the Java gateway process exited before sending the driver its port number error in Pyspark. This frustrating error usually means that the Spark application failed to start properly on your system. The Java gateway is a crucial component, acting as a bridge between your Python code, using Pyspark, and the Spark cluster, running on Java. If the gateway crashes before establishing communication with your driver program, you get this error. Here's a breakdown of potential causes and troubleshooting steps. 1. Insufficient resources. Spark, especially when working with large datasets, is resource-intensive. If your system or cluster nodes lack sufficient RAM, CPU power, or disk space, the Java gateway might fail to launch or run properly. Check your system's resources using system monitors, like Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on macOS. Consider increasing the available resources or reducing the dataset size if possible. 2. Driver memory settings. The driver's memory allocation is crucial. If you set the write single quote spark.driver.memory write single quote configuration parameter too low, the gateway might run out of memory. Increase this parameter, for example in your Spark configuration, or write single quote spark.conf.set spark.driver.memory 4G to allocate more memory to the driver. Experiment with higher values until the issue is resolved. Remember to restart your Spark session after making this change. 3. Conflicting Java versions. Ensure you have a compatible Java installation. Spark depends on Java, and version mismatches can lead to unexpected behavior. Check your Java version in your terminal, and make sure it's compatible with the version expected by your Spark installation. If necessary, update or switch to a compatible Java version. 4. Firewall issues. Firewalls can sometimes interfere with network communication. Temporarily disable your firewall to see if it's the cause. If disabling the firewall resolves the problem, configure your firewall to allow Spark to communicate on the necessary ports. This might involve allowing access on specific ports used by Spark, often dynamically assigned. 5. Driver JVM options. In rare cases, certain JVM options set for the driver can lead to instability. If you have explicitly set JVM options, try removing or adjusting them. Check the Spark documentation for recommended JVM options. 6. Corrupted Spark installation. A corrupted Spark installation can cause this error. Try reinstalling Spark to ensure you have a clean, functional installation. Make sure to download Spark from a reliable source, the official Apache Spark website. 7. Conflicting libraries. Check for conflicting libraries in your project. Make sure the versions of all your dependencies are compatible. 8. Underlying system issues. Problems with your operating system or hardware can lead to this error. Check for system errors, updates, or hardware malfunctions. By systematically checking these points, you can often pinpoint the cause of the Java gateway process exited error and resolve it, enabling your Pyspark application to run successfully. Remember to restart your Spark session after making any changes to configuration settings or your environment.